Hi there! Welcome to the School of Engineering. I'm Adrian, an MP ambassador currently pursuing a diploma in engineering science, and I'll be showing you around my school today. And this is our AI-enabled mobile robotics assistant. My friends in automation and mechatronic systems built this robotic assistant to help us in wayfinding. I think it's trying to show us to the aerospace hub. Let's go! Look at this place. It looks just like an airplane hangar. My friends from the aerospace engineering course come in here to learn about the sophisticated systems of an aircraft, such as navigation or surveillance. Jetting over here, there's a colossal Rolls-Royce turbofan engine. It's really breathtaking in person. By the way, this business jet is real. If you're interested in learning about aircraft structures and engineering system design, this is definitely the course for you. But that's not all we've got. What I'm about to show you is our best kept secret to date. Here in the Aerospace Hub, you can practice your flying skills in the various flight simulators. Just be careful not to crash the plane. There's more to engineering than just planes. Interested in building ships? My friends from the Marine and Offshore Technology course are here to learn to design and build their own ship models, just like this boat here, and test them in Singapore's only towing tank located on our campus. Before we even get to that stage, we do a lot of research, designing and prototyping work. In my school, you get to use these metal 3D printers to develop prototypes of innovations that we dream up. My friends here from the Mechanical Engineering course are always tinkering with something and ensuring their designs function safely, efficiently, and reliably. Let's head over to the Integrated Real-World Project Labs. Our labs are always bustling with activity. Filled with all the necessary equipment, this is where our final year students work on their projects. Come take a look at some of the cool things they've worked on. Take the Rehand, for example. It's designed for physiotherapy where patients can mentally command movements in their hand. Check this out! Over here, we have a process control system. It monitors the temperature of running equipment in factories to prevent overheating and malfunctioning. This helps to increase reliability and safety. Take a look at this Catapult Project, done by my friends in the Common Engineering program. Just like the Common Engineering program, this project integrates skills from the different engineering disciplines, hence training and giving us exposure to the various aspects of engineering. If you're interested in engineering but are not sure which engineering diploma to pick just yet, the Common Engineering program is the one for you. Did I mention that we're big on robots? Well, here at our Robotic Research and Innovation Center, you'll get to work on these next-gen machines. Check out the robots that we have here. My friends from the Electrical Engineering, Electronic and Computer Engineering, and Biomedical Engineering diplomas love to tinker in this room. They are always ready to test out new ideas and troubleshoot actions on these robots. Let's meet Now Robot. He's a jack of all trades. He's got dancing, singing, sitting, and more covered. Look at him go! Don't forget the canopy cleaning robot. It's built to improve safety and productivity, helping cleaners to clear fallen leaves on rooftops. As a student in the engineering science course, these AI and machine learning are a fundamental part of my course. Sounds cool, right? That's not all we have. Let's take a deeper look at the work behind the scenes. Follow me to TechSpace. this is where my friends in the Biomedical Engineering course hang out. At TechSpace, they get to develop equipment that will help in medical diagnosis and improve patient care. My friends here are working on a medical image analysis project now.
Here at Asuri, you find many exciting opportunities to inspire your passion for learning and innovation. You find engineering that's something extra here at MP Schools of Engineering. I hope to see you on campus soon. Bye!